If you want to save money while booking hotels online, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to find the best deals on Agoda step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way, so you can book smarter and spend less on your trips. First, open the Agoda app or website and enter your destination, check-in, and check-out dates. After that, tap on Search, and you'll see a list of hotels. Now, instead of just picking the first option, use filters and sorting tools. Set your budget range and sort prices from low to high, so you can quickly find the cheapest available options. Agoda also allows you to filter by deals or discounted properties, which helps you spot better prices instantly. Next, always check for app-only deals. Agoda often provides special discounts that are only available on the mobile app, sometimes 5% to 20% cheaper than normal prices. So if you're not using the app, you might be missing out on extra savings. Also, enable notifications so you get alerts about flash sales and limited time offers. Another important tip is to look for promo codes and coupons before making payment. Agoda regularly offers seasonal discounts, cashback offers, and special coupons that can reduce your total cost even more. You can find these in the deals section or through emails if you subscribe to their updates. Timing is also very important. Booking during flash sales or festival seasons can give you huge discounts, sometimes up to 40–50% off on hotels. Also, try to be flexible with your dates because prices can change depending on demand. Another smart trick is to use price alerts. Agoda allows you to track hotel prices and get notified when they drop, helping you book at the lowest possible rate. You can also choose refundable bookings, so you can cancel and rebook if the price goes down later. Finally, consider joining Agoda's membership or VIP program. Members get access to exclusive deals, extra discounts, and reward points for future bookings. Over time, this can help you save even more money. So in simple words, finding the best deals on Agoda is easy. Use filters, check app-only prices, apply coupons, book at the right time, and use price alerts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.